Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Engine oil is not just a lubricant, it's a crucial component that ensures the smooth operation and longevity of your vehicle's engine. Here's a detailed look at its primary functions. Lubrication. Engine oil forms a protective layer between moving parts, such as pistons, crankshafts, and camshafts. This reduces friction and wear, preventing metal-on-metal contact that can lead to engine damage. Proper lubrication is essential for maintaining engine efficiency and performance. Cooling. During engine operation, temperatures can rise significantly due to combustion and friction. Engine oil absorbs heat from critical components and transfers it away, helping to regulate engine temperature and prevent overheating. Effective cooling also ensures consistent performance under varying driving conditions. Cleaning. Engine oil acts as a cleaning agent, carrying away contaminants such as dirt, metal particles, and combustion byproducts. These contaminants can be harmful if allowed to accumulate, potentially clogging passages and causing premature wear. Clean oil preserves engine cleanliness and efficiency. Corrosion protection. Metal components within the engine are susceptible to corrosion due to exposure to moisture and combustion gases. Engine oil forms a protective barrier that inhibits rust formation and extends the lifespan of engine parts. This protection is crucial for maintaining engine reliability and durability. Types of engine oil. Choosing the right type of engine oil depends on factors such as vehicle age, driving conditions, and manufacturer recommendations. Here are the primary types of engine oil available. Conventional oil. Conventional oil, also known as mineral oil, is derived from crude oil. It is suitable for older vehicles and typical driving conditions. While it is more affordable than synthetic oil, it requires more frequent changes to maintain optimal performance. Synthetic oil. Synthetic oil is chemically engineered to provide superior performance and protection. It offers better viscosity stability across a wide range of temperatures, making it ideal for extreme climates or high-performance engines. Synthetic oil also resists oxidation and breakdown better than conventional oil, resulting in longer intervals between oil changes. High-mileage oil. Designed specifically for vehicles with high mileage, typically over 75,000 miles, high-mileage oil contains additives that condition seals and gaskets. These additives help reduce oil consumption and minimize leaks, addressing common issues in older engines. Causes of black and gritty engine oil. Understanding why engine oil turns black and gritty is essential for diagnosing potential engine problems and maintaining optimal performance. Normal wear and tear. As the engine operates, microscopic metal particles, dirt, and sludge accumulate in the oil. Over time, these contaminants darken the oil and give it a gritty texture. Regular oil changes are necessary to remove old oil laden with contaminants and maintain engine cleanliness. Contaminants. Various contaminants can infiltrate engine oil during operation. Dirt and dust enter through the air intake system and mix with circulating oil. Metal shavings generated from friction between moving engine parts. Combustion byproducts, soot and unburned fuel particles that can degrade oil quality. These contaminants contribute to oil discoloration and affect its ability to lubricate and protect engine components effectively. Extended oil change intervals. Delaying oil changes beyond manufacturer recommendations allows contaminants to build up in the oil. Overused oil loses its viscosity and lubricating properties, increasing friction and heat within the engine. Regular oil changes are crucial to prevent premature engine wear and potential damage. Visual inspection and diagnosis. Performing regular visual inspections of engine oil can provide valuable insights into engine health. Visual inspection. Park the vehicle on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Locate the engine oil dipstick, typically near the engine. Withdraw the dipstick, wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel, and reinsert it fully. Withdraw the dipstick again and observe the oil's color and consistency. Clean engine oil appears amber and smooth, indicating good lubricating properties. Dark or gritty oil suggests contamination and the need for further investigation or an oil change. Oil analysis. For a comprehensive assessment, consider professional oil analysis services. These services analyze oil samples to identify specific contaminants, measure viscosity, and assess overall oil condition. Oil analysis provides detailed insights into engine health that may not be visible through visual inspection alone, helping to detect potential issues early. Preventive measures and maintenance tips. Maintaining clean and effective engine oil requires proactive maintenance and adherence to best practices. Regular oil changes follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals based on driving conditions and oil type. Regular oil changes remove old, contaminated oil and replace it with fresh oil that maintains proper lubrication and engine protection. Quality oil and filters invest in high-quality engine oil and filters designed for your vehicle's specifications. Quality oil and filters effectively trap contaminants and withstand high temperatures, ensuring reliable engine performance and longevity. Monitoring driving conditions adjust oil change frequency based on driving habits and environmental conditions. Short trips, frequent stop-and-go driving can accelerate oil contamination. Consider more frequent oil changes to maintain engine cleanliness. Extreme temperatures. Operating in extreme heat or cold can affect oil viscosity and performance. Use oil formulated for specific climate conditions to ensure optimal engine protection. Heavy loads or towing. Increased engine stress from towing or hauling heavy loads may require more frequent oil changes to prevent overheating and premature wear. Maintaining proper fluid levels. Regularly check engine oil levels and top up as needed to ensure adequate lubrication and cooling. Maintaining proper oil levels helps prevent engine damage and ensures consistent performance. This expanded guide aims to provide comprehensive information and practical tips to empower vehicle owners in maintaining clean, effective engine oil and ensuring optimal engine health and longevity. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.